welcome to another segment of DRE TV. So today I'm doing a special adventure where I'm going to the northeastern side of Trinidad. I'm going to a small eco lodge called Acajou Hotel, and it is located in Grand Riviere, Trinidad. Grand Riviere is, imagine you're heading to Toco and then you take a left and you're heading back west to the top of Trinidad. You'll get to Grand Riviere there. Grand Riviere is popular for turtle nesting, the leatherback turtles, which really come to Trinidad to nest. So we're going to spend a night up on our side. So we'll be bringing you full footage of the adventure today, right? So we're going to show you what the place looks like, the beach nearby, and just enjoy the adventure with us. This is DRE TV, and I'm signing out. So guys, this is a walkthrough of the Acajou Hotel. Now Acajou is French for the hardest wood. So this is what the entrance looks like once you're coming into the Acajou Hotel. So it's a hotel, restaurant and bar. It's situated in Grand Riviere and it's right on the beach, Grand Riviere Beach. And the popularity of the beach is really for turtle watching. There are a couple ships that dock in for shelter because it's sort of sheltered. So this is what the walk-in looks like. So at the entrance we have two pillars. Walk in the gate. So this is the car parking area. Nice little area for about 10 cars. Nice little palm trees. So this is where your restaurant and bar is located, and there's a nice little wooden area that houses the restaurant and a small bar area. What it looks like. So this building on the left is administration, and right you have where the cottages are located. You have a cottage there, you have a cottage here, you have our cottage which is located here. You have a lot of nice plants. We're going to walk to a couple other cottages. There's another cottage here. There are two other cottages on this side. One there. And one up here. This is the last cottage. So guys, welcome to another episode of DRE TV. and we have just touched down at Acajou Hotel, restaurant and bar. So this is located in Grand Riviere area. So you just got a welcome drink, and we're going to do a little walk through the facility to see what it looks like. This is all about nature. This is all about conservation. This is all about the environment. So you notice the spots in the background is really inspired by nature, right? So we're going to head to the cottage and see what the cottage has to offer. So our cottage is number 3. Some good tasting juice here. So we're going to see what it has to offer. So guys, this is a walk to our cottage. This is cottage number 3. So you see these lovely plants here on the outside. And you're just about stepping up into the cottage, into the cottage. Just about to get the doors open up. This is the cottage. It's a small place. We have a small little couch, mini fridge, water kettle, bed, mosquito nets, and of course the place is wooden roof, etc, etc. Little mirror there, small bathroom and shower. Nice little place, nice little nature resort, and one of the biggest highlights is that you have your own little hammock that's fastened onto the roof, and a nice little view. So while you're in Grand Riviere, while you're in the village, you have this nice little nature feel on the outside in the back, right? So guys, this is DRE TV, and I'm going hunting. So we're going to take a walk to the beach now. This is the first time I'm going to use my Super Soaker. It's a Christmas present from myself to myself, but I haven't gotten to use it, right? So today I'll be testing this out. This bad boy out. It's big, it's heavy. See the backpack here? The backpack is full of supplies for hunting, right? So this is the secret agent, DRE TV, going to the beach now. Let's go. Hi guys, this is DRE TV and we are finally on the beach, and this area is Grand Riviere and is well known for turtle nesting, and a lot of people come here on an annual basis to watch the leatherback turtles nest. So I'm here, we're going to do some relaxing on the beach. I have my super soaker and take a walk and see what it looks like. So we are at the end of the beach and it is categorized by a big drop. This drop is about 4 feet high. So you don't want to be here on a high tide, right? This is the area where turtles come and they nest and they head back out to the sea. They come back in the nest, they head back out. So this area on the front here probably was a not too long ago nesting area. So what they do, they will nest in one area. For example, they nest here, and then what they will do, they'll go here, they will dig here, they will dig here, and they will dig here, but the nest is over there. And why this is done is because they have this instinct that they want to confuse any possible predators for the eggs. So they'll do that, those dummy digs, and then they will head back out. So if there's a predator on the prowl, you won't really get the turtle eggs. So this is just a little view of where one of the beaches where turtles come in to nest. This is heading all the way down the coast, and it is heading all the way back up as well. So hi guys, we are just about to head to dinner, and we are choosing to have dinner at the local restaurant here in Acajou. So it's all about supporting local. It's all about having that local cuisine land on your palate and just bask in the different flavors. One thing about Trinidad is that different places you'll have different style of cooking, you'll have different tastes. So one of the main things we want to do as well is to explore the different cuisines, right? So we're gonna jump at the restaurant. It's now 7 o'clock. We have a 7:30 reservation, but we're gonna still walk across now and see what it has to offer. So guys, this is our table setting. This is my beautiful wife. She's about to eat, so she's happy like happy. This is what the restaurant looks like in Acajou Hotel restaurant and bar. So we have a set table here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other tables. We have the kitchen area. We back there. And it's all inspired by nature, right? So the entire roof, everything is wooden. We have some cars here, and a mini bar across there. So guys, we just got our meal. I'm about to dig in. So what we ordered here today, we ordered some fish, some rice. This is like a chow mein. This is a sauce. She ordered fish.
So it's grilled fish, buttered cassava, vegetables, and there is a butter sauce to go over the grilled fish. Yummy.
Great. So we're about to dig in to this delicious meal. We have just completed dinner and we're about to head back to our room. Actually, we're going to take a little drive up in Grand Riviere. So it's currently 8 o'clock and we're going to take a little drive in Grand Riviere and see what the area has to offer. It's a supposedly slow area, relatively slow, and we're going to take a little drive. I'm looking for the locust or a big locust we saw on the way in. I'm looking for that to make sure it doesn't attack us, right? Doesn't attack us. Welcome guys, morning, and this is DRE TV. I've just got up and I'm at the Acajou Hotel. We just had a peaceful, restful night staying at this eco lodge cabin. We did hear a lot of insects while we were sleeping. It rained around 3 a.m. this morning, hence outside a little bit wet, but it was a really peaceful and restful night in the natural environment of nature. So we woke up to the songs of the birds, we woke up to the songs of the beach. So we have the beach right on that side. The beach is a little bit rough, so we're gonna probably be at Balandra Bay when we're heading back down. Last night dinner was so delicious. We had fish, we had rice, we had cassava, we had the local local items in the area, but it was really delicious. This morning we're going to head for breakfast. Breakfast is at 7:30. We'll bring you some footage of that, and we are hoping for a delicious breakfast as well, right? So we have nice, a nice fresh air. We have, some nice plants to, really wow your vision on the morning, right? So you want to get, a nice view of the plants. Unfortunately, our chairs got wet last night from the rain. But we're not going to stick around too long to, sit, because this morning is all about, heading for breakfast, probably heading out to the beach, capturing some more footage of the area itself, and then heading back down, right? So this is DRE TV. Like, share, subscribe, drop a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this place. Also, I'd like to give a special shout out to young and upcoming YouTuber Josh Mohammed. This is DRE TV. Josh, keep doing your thing, keep that vision alive, and I'll see you one day, right, Josh? So take care. So guys, this is the Acajou Hotel. This is DRE TV bringing you live and direct footage of the area, and give them a call. I'll leave the contact numbers below. Rates vary, so I don't want to quote a specific rate, but rates vary for the place, right? So give them a call, touch base with them. You have Wi-Fi access, you have restaurant, you have bar, you have a river, you have kayaking services there, they have a paddleboard service as well. So it's a nice place to really come and spend time with your family, right? So this is DRE TV signing out. All the best, take care. So guys, this is the breakfast area at Acajou Hotel. We had dinner here last night. We actually had dinner right on this seat here. So we're gonna have breakfast here again. Nice little setup, right? Nice little menu, local menu, everything local. I couldn't capture this last night, but this is what the view looked like. So to the back there, you have a nice river, but rainfall both last night and the day before, so the river is a bit beauty. This leads down to the beach, which is that way. If you don't know what a shipwreck looks like, this is what it is. So it's basically an iron ship. It's upside down and it's on the beach itself. It's just resting here. You're taking the beating from the waves, taking that pounding, right? And this is what it looks like. So you would swear it's something from a alien show, but it's really a ship, right? Just to give you some context, this is the Grand Riviere Beach. So we just walk from that direction and we came to check out this shipwreck. So this is what it looks like. This is a popular place for persons in the area. This is the ship from a wide angle, right? So you'll see they cut into the ship. Have access.